company is a startup accelerator, and your latest project aims to power villages in Africa through solar. How are you doing that?
So, like any other accelerator, we work with a ton of different companies. I came across an awesome company named Cheddar, and that means let there be light in Chichewa, which is the native language in Malawi. And I recently went there and we visited, and we got to see his whole operation in addition to visit villages where his his solar solution is not the typical solar solution. It's a do-it-yourself solar kit. So these folks are actually installing the kits in their home, but electricity is basically non-existent on the continent of Africa.
Well, this DIY component, is that in some ways an important part of the actual installation of what the company's actually doing?
The DIY part is important because it's cheaper. So solar, even though it's not expensive for us, it's still expensive to people who make $1 to $2 a day, right? So for $20, they can essentially have electricity and can still feed their families.
In terms of companies that your accelerator supports, Numi, that your accelerator supports, is a company in Malawi a departure for the typical company that you guys work with in your accelerator?
So we work with minority founders, and it's not necessarily that we're looking for social impact companies, but because we kind of have a social impact edge ourselves, we generally attract companies that want to do well, and Kiede is one of them.